Hello. This electric window takes so long to go up and down that I can literally feel myself aging. Now, this is a common problem on many types of car, but don't worry, there's an easy solution, as I shall now demonstrate with this bundle of stuff. Welcome to CarSpyTV. So let's start by demonstrating the problem. Now what I've done is put this piece of yellow masking tape along the top of the window there so you can more easily see it move. Are you ready? Far too slow. Now there's nothing wrong with the electric motor that powers the window. The problem is in fact this runner here that the glass slides up and down, and indeed this other runner just over here. Specifically, over the years, dirt has accumulated in these runners. That dirt increases the friction between the runners and the glass itself, thus slowing the mechanism down. So what we need to do is clean and lubricate both these runners. Let's start by cleaning. So to clean the runners, grab yourself a flat-headed screwdriver. Something this sort of size is likely to be ideal. And then cover its tip with a cloth, like so, and then shove the end into the runners, move it up and down, and get all the dirt out. So let's start with this runner here. So we'll slide the screwdriver in at the top, and then just go up and down, like so, to catch as much dirt as possible. Oh yeah, that's pretty dirty. Now of course we need to do the second runner. There's the gap we need to slide this screwdriver into. So I've moved the screwdriver onto a clean piece of the cloth, pop it in there, and as before, just move it up and down and get rid of all that grit. Good. Right, now off camera I've done a bit more cleaning with the screwdriver and the cloth, and now we need to move on and lubricate those rails. The question is, what type of lubricant? Well, my preference is this WD-40 high performance silicone lubricant. And if we have a look at the bottom of the tin here, we'll see why. It says here, where's it gone? Waterproofs and protects against moisture, so that suggests it shouldn't wash away the first time it rains. And it also says underneath that, for use on metal, plastic, rubber and wood, and that comes in handy because those window runners have a plasticky, rubbery feel. Now before I start spraying this stuff around, I'm just putting a towel over the door here, just so I don't get any on the paint. So let's slide the straw into the runner, like so, and now I'm going to spray quite generously all the way down. And now, of course, the excitement never ends, because it's exactly the same on the other runner. Going well so far? Right, so let's get this towel out of the way. And then we shall turn the ignition onto accessories. Like so. And now, just run the window up and down to spray that lubricant around a bit, and hopefully it'll get quicker. Yeah, that's definitely better. Right, good start, but I'm going to put just a little bit more on here. And the same on the other side. and then run it up and down a few more times. That's a lot better. While we're here, let's just have a quick look at this straw on the WD-40 because I think you're going to like it. It's smarter than it looks. So when the straw is extended, as it is now, the lubricant fires out there in a narrow pattern like this. See? However, when you fold it down, there's this second hole just there, if the camera will focus. There you go. And that gives you a much wider pattern. Ready? Good, eh? So there we go. That's how to fix slow electric windows in a car. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to CarSpyTV, by all means do so, because I have plenty more interesting content coming up. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, because likes help the channel grow. And while you're doing those things, I'm going to go around and fix the other 3 windows. Bye-bye.